This is PSA 10 Kobe and PSA 10 Cavendish. This is a Japanese card right now. No? So I'm going to give you my 5 slabs. The second is Kobe. The third one is King of all pirates, Japanese, the King Luffy. King Luffy. Pristine, very good condition. Although you can identify the serial number here to check or verify in the PSA site if it is legit or not. It's up to you to verify that. Then there's some PSA two-tone color here. You see that? I don't have right now the, what do you call this, the light to see if this, there is a, what do you call, PSA sign here. Here at the back, sorry. Here, the 3 PSA. If you have ultraviolet light, no, so you can identify that. The PSA. It's the two-tone color here also. So the 6 PSA not visible by the video but visible by the naked eye. The PSA here is not visible only when you can see it when you use Blu-ray light. Right now I don't have it. I already give it to someone kasi. So here's the King Luffy. Next is, it's only 5 slabs. It's only 5 slabs now. Next is another Ryuma. We have in Japanese there is a 3 Japanese Ryuma, which is has his Oda stamp. No, this is the most high value in that 3 Japanese. It comes with a book, a DVD book, a DVD box. You will see that in the front of the box is the card, same photos like this. This is the Monster Ryuma set. So the first set of this card is the, what do you call this? The low value is the Japanese, do you call that, binder? I really don't know how to call that thing, no. And the second one is the Asia Yuma. And this is the third one, which is, if I'm not mistaken, this is limited production. And then the Oda stamp here. That's why a 10. It's PSA 10. Beautiful card. Oda stamp. It comes in the Monster DVD set box. So beautiful. And at least the last, this is a BGS card, a gold BGS card, a possible 9.5 or a 10. Is a 9.5 or a 10. If I'm not mistaken, the 9.5 is same as gold, like a 10. The only silver is the 9, and the black label is the 10. The 10, black label 10. So even you have this gold, there's a possibility that this is 9.5. So you see this, if I'm not mistaken, you see this, so you know what is the rate of this card, no. It's a 10. So this is the World Tour Bandai Lupi. So these are my five slabs. This to this to this to this and to this. So this is available at our store in Pocket Card Game line. This is sale right now. So thank you for watching us. Have a great day. Have a blessed Thursday ahead of all of us. So goodbye. Thank you. Please support my page and my YouTube channel. Bye.